In this video, I'm going to teach you how to reset DJI Osmo Mobile 6. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Performing a factory reset on the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 is super simple. This will help you clear up any sort of glitches that you might be having. So if you are having problems while using your DJI Osmo Mobile 6, perform a factory reset with these steps. You will have to press 3 buttons simultaneously. The first one is going to be the trigger at the back. So you will press the trigger button, the record button, and finally the switch button all together at the same time. So press these 3 buttons that I've highlighted here. You will have to press all of them at once, hold them down for a few seconds, and by doing this, a factory reset will be performed. So you don't have to use the application, you don't have to do anything else besides just holding down all of these buttons for a few seconds. When you hold them down after maybe 10 to 15 seconds, you will see some changes in the LED indicating that a reset was performed. You can give it a few seconds or even up to a minute, and after this is done, if you had a Bluetooth connection previously active, it is going to be unpaired and you will have to repeat the setup steps. So you open the DJI Mimo app, you make sure that the device is in close proximity with Bluetooth enabled, and it's going to be as if the device was brand new. So performing a factory reset can help you fix any sort of temporary issues that you might be having. It is quick to do, and it is what I would suggest if you encounter any weird behavior with your Osmo Mobile 6. So I hope I was able to help you on resetting the Osmo Mobile 6. Before I end, I want to highlight something according to the channel metrics. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos, so I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.